Om Namah Shivaya. Here was a real owl conch from Indian Ocean. You can see a clear owl here, two eyes, nose, clear owl face here. By having this conch with you, it will give you full protection from black magic and evil eyes. This conch gives you full protection from black magic and evil eyes. It's such a wonderful collection, conch collected from Indian Ocean, having clear image of owl, which gives you full protection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It's such a wonderful conch collected from the Indian Ocean. You can see a very clear owl face here. Very clear owl face. You can see two eyes, nose, and clear face of owl, which gives you full protection from black magic and evil eyes. Also, never allows negative energy near you. This conch does not allow negative energy near you. This is for totally for protection. This conch is for totally for protection. Real natural owl conch from Indian Ocean. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. See how beautiful it is. It's a natural conch. It's a collection conch. You can see very clear owl here, which give you full protection to you. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.